All right.
Is it on now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we can just edit it out.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's how it be. All right, so we're getting ready to go off-roading, and we're going to Drummond Island. I got my bike here. And Brandon's Jeep is going to be doing all the off-roading excursions. So it should be a pretty good time. My experience really started just from getting on the ferry, because I've never been in a situation where you're going to take your Jeep on a boat, on a ferry, so that you can take it to the island. And I think just from the start of that, that's what my experience started, where it was quite an adventure. So I really enjoyed that aspect. Brandon wants to make sure he takes his doors off. So that's going down right now. He sees me recording him, so. All right, so as you can see, we got this huge door. All right, so here we go. Time to head out. Got the doors off. Time to go to dinner. Then a little bit of off-road afterwards. Let's go. Oh yeah. Yeah, definitely. I feel like this is what you're supposed to do. You gotta do. You ain't take the doors off. I've learned quite a few terms. The main term I learned was airing down, which for all experienced people that do off-roading, it's just letting air out of your tires so that you could have a easier journey over the rocks. When he first aired down, he took his tires down to 25, which, in my opinion, someone that only drives in the city, that's flat. So he needed his airing down all the way to, I think, about 15.
I think at first, definitely the trail was pretty easy, but I have pretty fun overall. Like, I think this off-roading group, we haven't joined them. We joined as guests. So as guests, I feel like they were prepared for like every situation. They weren't the best with communication, because we kind of had to make some assumptions in terms of like where they were meeting up and stuff, but getting out there, they were all helpful. We did get stuck one time, but we also took a pretty hard line that no one else took. So at first I was a little down on it, but I was like, you know what, we actually did what these other modded Jeeps didn't try to do. So
the moment that he got stuck up in the muddy section, the shell rock roots, that was a lot of fun.
We had the most difficult vehicle there. Like I said, when you're in these narrow sections, and like, I love the Jeep Gladiator on road, but when you get to some of these trails and you don't know what's coming, and then it's more narrower, you can't take the same lines as everyone else. Like, they was trying to give me tips, but it's like, I gotta worry about this extra truck bed, and like, it gives me, you know, like that much more length. So you gotta think like a truck, but you got some Jeep like capabilities, but you can't can't drive the same as everybody else. A lot of them have like 2-door Jeeps, so they can easily turn and like do whatever.
I've been off-roading once, and that was in Sedona. I did that, and it was all red rock, so there was no mud at all. And then I did it with a commercial company, someone that just drives 8 hours a day, 5 days a week, and they already know their routes like the back of their hand. So it was a completely different experience coming with this guy, because it's probably what, your 4th, 5th time?
Yeah, third time. And then first time doing a muddy trail like we just did. That was an experience in itself. And we didn't get too muddy, that was the good part. We got a little bit, but I've definitely seen it way worse. But if we had the doors off, it got bad. So we survived the trail at Drummond Island. It was a journey. You know, I got stuck one time, but you know, I pulled through. That's what champions do. But man, you know, the views like this makes it worth it.
That's the hard part.
That's the hard part.
That's the easy part.
This guy's gonna do it.
And that was the off-roading trail. We are about to get back on the main road, and I am starving. So Brandon and them are about to air up the tires a little bit so that we can get back on the road. And I'm trying to get some eats. So off-roading done. Yep. I had a taco salad from one of the bar and grills that turned out to be better than I thought it was gonna be.
That spinach artichoke was good.
The spinach artichoke I got as an appetizer. It came with chips. We got it at.
That was the best thing I had here.
The Pins. It was right by our hotel resort, which was nice. And
I think we had fun. Are we probably gonna come back? Probably not. For me, I didn't see the amazing visuals I wanted, but you know, there was some reward at the end of each trail that, you know, I guess kind of, you know, capped off the trail nicely. So most of all, we had fun, and yeah, looking forward to the next adventure. Probably in a few weeks. You know, we gotta clean up and stuff and just unwind, but I think this is one for the books.
Yeah, that was a good trip. That'll do it for me. Peace out. Leaving Drummond Island back to the mainland. UP, baby!